Oh, I'll get another one. Yeah, yeah. You mess up something you have. When you finish it, it disappears. Then no, Papa, you regretted that if I cared. When I remember those times, tears welled up in my eyes. I was very insulted. I won't take it back either. I forgave you enough, and my soul is satisfied. Loving you was a mistake. I swear I won't take it back. No matter what you do, you treated me badly and I hated you. The heartache of the morning, I got tired of it too. No matter what you do, you treated me badly and I hated you. The heartache of the morning, I got tired of it too. I showed you full love. One Peter closed. You thought I saw it. You just keep it like you're a party, while few will desire me. I'm young and I hit them hard. You miss me so much, I see. You had become a prison to me. There are many good ones. I'll get someone else to find it. They don't measure me against you, that others, they didn't reach me. No matter what you do, you treated me badly and I hated you. The heartache of the morning, I got tired of it too. I keep it very close. When I got used to you, I left. The more I loved it, the more I hated it. The pain you caused me, many tears flowed. Maybe I'm crazy. I can't tell you no.